Hi everyone and welcome to Tech Updates. I just received my Dell XPS 17 inches laptop. Actually, you can see the details about this laptop in the previous video. These are the basic details: 17 inches UHD plus touch display, i7 core, 8 cores, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, NVIDIA the RTX 3060. Really excited actually to open it finally. Okay, let's start. Okay. Whoa, what's that? Uh-huh. Okay, so box in a box, that's obvious. Okay, the box is empty. Alright, let's put this on the side. Alright. Dell. Okay. This is the first, I think I can just like slip it. Shit, maybe like that. Also take this out. Alright, and alright. Whoa. Actually, I mean, the box itself is like these magnets here, like, magnet joint here. That's super amazing. Alright, so XPS. Let's take out the laptop. Maybe I can actually, take this slip out. Alright, but be careful here. And these, okay, I'll check out what we have here, but first let me just take this out of the nylon cover. All right. Whoa. USB-C everywhere. This is SD card. So you can actually directly use the SD card input here from your camera. All right, so what do we still have here? Okay, so this is the cable, the charger cable. All right, normal. What is that? Wait a minute. What is that? Oh my God, that's, wow. We have here actually, I'm gonna make it here more focused. We actually have here a converter for HDMI and normal USB. Looks like, yeah, this is the USB-C. Okay, actually, let me open this one. All right, okay, nice. Actually, I thought when purchasing this laptop that I may need to get a HDMI converter, but looks like Dell have already thought about this and they just included this nice converter inside of the box. That's super cool. All right, and actually maybe I can do this. Yeah, cool. USB-C, and you can use these here, HDMI and normal USB. I mean, you have only here one normal USB. So if, let's say, you are using this like a mouse, and maybe you have, let's say, your external hard drive that still doesn't have the USB-C, then you may need to purchase more converters, which I'm going to also show you in the next videos what would be the best USB-C converters from normal USB to USB-C. In any case, it's good that you have a good start with this converter out of the box. That's cool. So we have the cable, the converter, and here, okay, so here it looks like we have like the manual, right? User manual, XPS-17. All right. And the charger. Okay. Cool. What I like also about this charger is that it's not too heavy like other laptops where, like, it may, weigh like, 400 grams, half a kilo, but this is not that that heavy, and yeah, and also, you know, it's the size of it is, you know, relatively small, I would say. You know, that's my palm of hand. You can see. Anyways, so that's the box. I think that the box is now, yeah, there's nothing left. You know, they see here like it's out of 100%, maybe like this, 100% recycled plastic, 25% from ocean-bound sources, which is also converting, you know, to nature, you know, having less pollution, less waste. All right, so I think we're all ready now to start using the laptop. Let me first try to open this first link. Whoops. That's so cool. Really excited to launch it. All right, I'm gonna plug it into the electricity, charge it, and we'll show you later on my impressions about it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos.